Hey, I'm Joe with Integrity Home Exteriors. When you get 3 quotes for a roof replacement, they can come back thousands apart, and it's not necessarily because someone's lying. The quotes probably cover entirely different scopes of work. Here's how to tell them apart. The first is what happens to the wood underneath. A tear-off takes everything down to the decking, and whatever's rotted should get replaced. If a quote never mentions the decking, they could be planning to cover it up and never fix it. The second is everything that goes on before the shingles. Ice and water protection at the eaves and in the valleys. Around here, that's what keeps the February thaw out of your living room. Drip edge, underlayment, and ventilation at the ridge, none of it shows from the driveway, which is exactly why the cheap quotes skip it. And the third is the one who's doing the work and what covers it. The manufacturer warranties the shingles. Only a workmanship warranty covers the install. So if the labor coverage is vague, you're going to have issues in a few years with no real way to handle them. So when one quote lands way under the rest, something above is missing, and you find out at the worst time. When ice gets under the shingles at the eave, or when the decking that never got replaced rots through under a brand new roof. The easiest way to compare quotes is knowing what your roof actually needs first. Call us for a free inspection and you'll see the condition of everything up there, and every quote after that gets a lot easier to read. Integrity Home Exteriors. Let's build better.